Welcome. In front of me I have ULANZI clip-on mic, the AM18. So this is a wireless clip mic, actually two of them to be more precise. And anyway, I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So popping it open, packaging wise, it seems to be pretty nice. Packaging, secure. Though I will be honest, I didn't ever hear about this company, but I'm not an audiophile, so obviously if it's a popular company, that would probably explain why I haven't heard about it. Getting inside, we have just an instruction right here. Then we get the charging case along with the mics and the case, like a station, so it connects to it. And then on the side right here we have, we have pop filters, two of them, a cable, so this one is for iPhones, and then we got a Type-C as well. I'm not sure what these are. There's multiple of them, as you can see. And then here we have, so audio jack and Type-C to Type-C, along with a carrying pouch. Popping this open, if I can actually, oh, there we go. So at the back we have a Type-C charging port. It's a fairly hidden one. Opening it up, I do want to point out at least the top right here feels a little bit more plasticky, a little bit cheaper. Taking out the mics themselves, as you can see there is one. Just drop that in there. Also have pogo pins for charging right here at the bottom. Also Type-C right here. Power button, volume up and down right here. Might as well bring it a little bit closer. So yeah, camera, please focus. So you can hopefully barely see it, but this is the power button, volume up and volume down. And on the other side we have what looks to be just a mic on, I think. And presume this is the mic itself. I think this is the mic itself right here, this tiny little hole. And the pop filters have a little screw on here. So you can get it on there. I think it just twists on there. Yep, there we go, like so. And that's it. And you can clip it on. Now, quick check. Okay, pretty stupid design. Once you have it, the pop filter on, you can't close it. That's a very dumb design right here, which means that you will always need to be untwisting it and taking it off, which personally, when it comes down to things like this, I don't like to just take those off. It is losing some of the little fibers right here, and they're just gonna get probably a little bit gross after some time. You can already see a bunch of it right here. So that's a bit of a poor design. Now, talking about the rest of it, we do have our like a hub. I don't know how to describe this otherwise, but basically the microphones themselves connect to the hub, and the hub can be connected to things like your iPhone, your phone, or maybe even your camera. That's why we have all the different cables right here. Partially, it might be for charging the case itself right here, but for instance, ones like these ones, that would be used for the camera. So you can plug it into here and then connect it to the camera, and then this will connect to it, and the camera will be getting the sound from this little clip-on mic. And same thing goes for the other attachments, like the headphone jack to the I think this is the lightning one from for iPhones. So yeah, just plug it into iPhone, and iPhone will be using these mics as its own mic for obviously improved sound quality. And there we go, that's it. Now we do have also more pogo pins right here. So I'm gonna remove, drop it in. And as you can see, it's booting up. It does have a screen. Additionally, we do have lights right here on the case itself to signify how much charge the case itself has. And once taken out, you can also have some information if the camera would ever catch focus. Come on, there we go. So it shows the reception right here to the mic itself. It shows the battery. Now I chose two different ones, so one is going to be for this thing itself, and other one will be for one of the mics. And if you take out the other one, it should, let me quickly check. So it's charging right now. Oh, yep, and you can see it's connected right now. And if I take it out, so this one I think might be dead. Oh, okay, so it's charging now. Did I mute it? Oh yeah, I think I did before. No. And that's odd. Hello? So you can see this one is picking it up. This one on the other hand side isn't picking up anything. Ah, there we go. So it was on a mute, which there is literally no indication that it's muted apart from obviously not seeing any kind of movement right here. Would have been nice to have some kind of indication to signify that it is obviously right now not picking up any kind of sound. But anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.